In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a GOG code step by step so you can quickly add your game or gift to your account and get it into your library without any confusion. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through everything from opening the redemption page to confirming the game has been added successfully. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the GOG Redeem page at gog.com/redeem. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in to your GOG account. If you're not already logged in, enter your email and password. Then complete the sign-in process. After that, you'll see a field where you can enter your game code or gift code. Carefully type or paste the code exactly as provided. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code, because even a small typing mistake can cause the redemption to fail. Once the code is entered, click Continue. GOG will then check the code and show you the game details or reward associated with it. Take a moment to review everything on the screen so you know the correct game is being redeemed. If everything looks right, click Redeem to confirm. After that, the game will be added to your GOG library automatically. From there, you can head to your library and start downloading or installing it whenever you're ready. If the code was a gift, it should now be permanently attached to your account, ready for you to access. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully redeemed a GOG code and added the game to your library. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more quick how-to guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.